If one trade can make or break you, that is the wrong trade. It doesn't matter how good the premium looks. It doesn't matter how sure you think you are about the stock. If the outcome of one single put decides how your month goes, you didn't place a trade, you placed a bet. And I want to show you exactly where that line is because most people don't ever do the math on it. So here's what it looks like in real life. Somebody finds a put and the premium is fat. 200, 300, maybe 500 for the week. They look at that number and then they look at their account and say, oh yeah. And then they sell the put. What they didn't pay attention to was the strike price because that's what you're on the hook for. Here's an example. If you sell a $200 put, man, you need $20K to back that trade up and buy the shares if the price drops. And you want to calculate what percentage of your account would that be. Now, if you have a $100,000 account and that trade is $20K, that's 20% of your account on one trade. You got to keep cash on the side to sell another put if the price goes down. Because we don't know if it's going to go up or down. You want to make money no matter where it goes. And what we're talking about is assignment. Man, assignment is not a failure. It is part of the plan. You will get assigned shares of that stock sometimes. And so the first question you have to ask is, do I like that company? And is that a price I'm okay buying those shares at? Because if the answer is no, that is the wrong trade. When I sell a put on a ticker that I like at a strike price that I'm okay buying the shares at, and the price drops, I am totally cool buying those shares because I turn right around and sell a covered call on those shares right afterward. And guess what? If the price drops more, that means it went on sale and I buy more shares. And you keep flipping your money into that ticker to create income for yourself over and over again. That's what we're talking about all the time on this channel. Creating income for yourself every week that you can live on. If that price goes down, I'm not scrambling. I'm not freaking out. I'm not rolling my put. That is for amateurs. The people who panic on assignment are the people who never should have been in that trade to begin with. It comes down to this. Before you sell a put, ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, what is my obligation? Strike price times 100. That's how much cash you need in order to buy the shares if the price goes down. Number 2, ask yourself, do I want to buy these shares at this price? If the answer is no or maybe, man, that's the wrong trade. The answer has to be a yes. Number 3, and this is the thing that a lot of you guys miss, what is the annualized rate of return? You should never sell a put without calculating that. You can do it easy peasy with a calculator, or you can use the app that I use all the time. You just plug in the ticker, you plug in the strike price, the expiration date, and the app does all the work for you. And then you can click around and find the best trade for you. So the whole point of selling puts is creating income for yourself. Boring, repeatable process. It's not supposed to be super exciting. If you want excitement, go bungee jumping. If you want excitement, go skydiving, go scuba diving. If you want cash flow every week, sell puts and sell covered calls. Stick around on this channel because that's all I talk about here. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss an episode. And if you like the video, be sure to smash the like button and share it with a friend. And if you want to use the app that I use, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.